Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mega Sync not working issues in 2026. If your files are not syncing, folders are stuck updating, or changes are not appearing across devices, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Mega Sync depends on a reliable connection to transfer files between your device and the cloud. Next, open the Mega application and verify that sync is enabled. Sometimes a sync folder may be paused or accidentally disabled. Now restart the Mega desktop application and allow it to reconnect to the servers. Temporary sync issues can often be fixed with a simple restart. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct Mega account. Using the wrong account can make it appear as though syncing has stopped. Check that you have enough available storage space in your Mega account. If your storage limit has been reached, new files may stop syncing. Now review the sync folder settings and confirm that the correct folders are selected for synchronization. Next, update the Mega application to the latest version. Older versions may contain bugs that affect syncing performance. If the issue continues, temporarily disable antivirus software, firewall settings, or VPN services that may interfere with file transfers. Now check for file name conflicts, unsupported characters, or files that may be preventing the sync process from completing. Finally, sign out of the Mega application, sign back in, and allow the sync process to start fresh. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Mega Sync not working issues. Your files should now sync properly across all connected devices. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.